For decades, the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II defined American air superiority. But a new, even more secretive program has been underway, designed to fundamentally reshape aerial combat as we know it. This is the F-47, the centerpiece of the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, initiative. Shrouded in secrecy for years, with experimental versions flying since at least 2020, its existence and capabilities have been among the most closely guarded secrets in military aviation. It's not just a new jet, it's a radical reimagining of air power itself, built on an entirely new engineering philosophy. The genesis of the F-47 traces back to a 2014 Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency study, the Air Dominance Initiative. This crucial study concluded that a single aircraft would no longer be sufficient for future air superiority. This insight was a profound shift in engineering philosophy. Instead of an isolated platform, future dominance required a comprehensive system of systems. It was clear that the rapidly advancing aviation and air defense technologies of adversaries demanded a departure from traditional fighter development, moving towards a networked, collaborative approach, with the F-47 at its core. The F-47 is officially billed as America's first crewed sixth-generation fighter, representing a monumental leap beyond the F-22 and F-35. The engineering philosophy here is not merely incremental improvement, but a fundamental reconceptualization. While the F-22 excels in stealth and air superiority and the F-35 brings multi-role capabilities, the F-47 is designed to integrate extreme range, advanced stealth, revolutionary sensors, and autonomous wingmen into a cohesive, dominant platform. It's built for distance, persistence, and command of a future air battle vastly more complex than any before. At the heart of the F-47's design is an unprecedented level of stealth, engineered to outstealth the F-22. This isn't just about radar cross-section, it's a holistic approach integrating advanced stealth shaping, new materials, and signature reduction across the electromagnetic spectrum. The engineering goal was to create an aircraft that could operate undetected in the most contested airspace, far deeper and more persistently than any predecessor. This super stealthy plane is a direct response to the sophistication of modern air defense systems, ensuring lethality and survivability against America's most advanced adversaries. One critical divergence from previous generations is the F-47's emphasis on extended range. The engineering philosophy demanded a platform capable of projecting power across vast distances, with a combat radius exceeding 1,000 nautical miles. This outranging capability, combined with Mach 2 plus speed, provides the Air Force with unparalleled strategic flexibility. It enables the F-47 to operate from greater standoff distances, engage targets deeper within enemy territory, and maintain persistence in crucial operational areas, signaling a new doctrine of global reach and rapid response in air combat. The F-47 program was deliberately built in secrecy, a testament to the revolutionary nature of its design. For almost 5 years, an experimental version of the plane had been secretly flying, allowing engineers to test and refine its groundbreaking capabilities away from public scrutiny. This clandestine development process protected vital technological advancements and strategic advantages. It also fostered rapid iteration and adaptation, an agile engineering approach that sidestepped the slower, more visible development cycles of previous fighter programs, ensuring the F-47 would massively overpower existing capabilities upon its unveiling. After years of intense competition, Boeing was announced as the winner of the Next Generation Air Dominance Fighter initiative on March 22, 2025. This was a pivotal moment, not just for Boeing, but for the future of U.S. air power. While Boeing's impressive reputation made the win somewhat expected, the real significance lay in Lockheed Martin not receiving the contract, breaking their long-standing dominance in top stealth fighter programs. Boeing's selection signaled a new era, emphasizing an engineering vision that moves beyond even the acclaimed designs of the F-22 and F-35, focusing on a more integrated and adaptive platform. The F-47's engineering philosophy extends far beyond the airframe itself. It envisions a system of systems approach, where the fighter operates as the centerpiece of a networked ecosystem. This includes unmanned drones, advanced sensors, and sophisticated electronic warfare capabilities, all integrated through artificial intelligence and real-time data. The F-47 would not operate alone, but as a conductor orchestrating a symphony of aerial assets. This changes air combat forever, moving from individual platform dominance to a collective, hyper-integrated aerial combat strategy, vastly increasing situational awareness and combat effectiveness. Integral to this ecosystem is the F-47's revolutionary sensor suite and deep integration of artificial intelligence. The F-47 leverages AI for real-time data integration, sensor fusion, and autonomous decision-making support. This allows the pilot, or future autonomous systems, to process vast amounts of battlefield information, identify threats, and coordinate actions across the system of systems with unprecedented speed. This level of AI integration moves beyond mere assistance, towards a symbiotic relationship between human and machine, enhancing the aircraft's lethality and the pilot's survivability in complex, dynamic combat environments. A key component of the F-47's doctrine is its ability to fly alongside autonomous drone wingmen, known as collaborative combat aircraft or CCAs. These drones, designed to be expendable and adaptable, will extend the F-47 sensor reach, carry additional weapons, conduct electronic warfare, and even act as decoys. This strategy multiplies the F-47's combat power and reduces risk to the crewed aircraft. The engineering challenge was not just building advanced drones, but creating a seamless, AI-driven interface that allows the F-47 pilot to command and integrate these autonomous assets intuitively, fundamentally changing combat tactics. The F-47's engineering philosophy also emphasizes adaptability and modularity. Its design ensures seamless integration with emerging technologies, positioning it as a dominant platform for decades. This modularity means the F-47 can be upgraded and reconfigured more easily than previous generations, allowing it to evolve with future threats and technological advancements. This forward-thinking approach anticipates a rapidly changing battlespace, ensuring the F-47 remains cutting-edge throughout its operational lifespan, a critical requirement for maintaining air dominance against continually evolving adversarial capabilities. However, the revolutionary nature of the F-47 comes with a significant price tag. In May 2024, before the official Boeing contract announcement, the program faced scrutiny when its projected cost soared. Reports suggested each fighter could be 3 times the price of a Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. This led to a pause in the program by Secretary Kendall, who launched an internal study to assess its viability amidst rapid advances in adversary aviation and air defense technology. This tension between cutting-edge capability and astronomical cost remains a critical challenge for the F-47's rollout and long-term viability. Despite cost concerns, the Pentagon views the F-47 as essential to sustain American air dominance against peer rivals. A notional buy of at least 185 aircraft is planned, reflecting the strategic imperative behind this program. Some in Washington even suggested slowing or pausing the U.S. Navy's sixth-generation fighter, the F/AXX, out of concern that parallel programs could dilute resources and delay the Air Force's F-47. This underscores the F-47's critical role as the premier air superiority platform, set to replace the aging F-22 Raptors as they near the end of their operational lifespan. Steady progress on the F-47 continues, with the U.S. Air Force Chief of Staff confirming its first flight in 2028. This announcement, made in November 2025, signals the confidence in Boeing's design and the program's ability to overcome its initial hurdles. While details remain highly classified, this timeline represents a pivotal step in transitioning from secretive development to operational readiness. The 2028 flight will mark a tangible milestone, bringing the F-47 closer to its intended role as the vanguard of America's air superiority, ensuring it's ready to meet the challenges of the next decade. The F-47 embodies a fundamental reconceptualization of air dominance for the 21st century. It's not merely an aircraft, it's a strategic weapon system designed to change air combat forever. Its engineering philosophy prioritizes network lethality, survivability through advanced stealth, and adaptable capabilities over raw individual performance. This shift signals a new air combat doctrine, one where the pilot commands an array of integrated assets, leveraging AI and real-time data to dominate a multi-domain battlespace. The F-47 is designed to provide comprehensive, enduring command of the future air battle, redefining what it means to achieve air superiority. The F-47 sends a clear message to every Air Force on Earth: American air dominance is evolving, and it's doing so with revolutionary stealth, extreme range, and unparalleled networking capabilities. The F-47 is built to be the most advanced, capable, and lethal aircraft ever constructed, massively overpowering any existing or projected adversarial capabilities. As the F-22 Raptors near the end of their operational lifespan, the F-47, designed by Boeing, stands ready to secure America's tactical air power for the next generation, ensuring continued strategic advantage in an increasingly complex and contested global arena.